Across over 165 acres in regional Western Australia, something rare is happening. Cannabis isn't just being grown, it's being transformed. Because Cannaponics is one of the few operations in Australia built for more than growing.
And you know what Cannaponics is really proud of? The fact that we cultivate, we process and manufacture to global standard, bringing Australian-grown medicinal cannabis to the market. And with cultivation now underway, we're moving into commercialisation of our first product.
Right now, most of the medicinal cannabis industry stops at cultivation, not by choice, but because going further is hard. Cheap imports have flooded the market, undercutting local industry and stripping Australian jobs.
True medical-grade processing demands infrastructure, licences and capital most simply don't meet.
The industry is bottlenecked at flower. Without the capability to scale into multiple product formats, value is left on the table. At the same time, Australians are demanding more innovation, quality, and locally manufactured products they can trust.
Cannabis gets grown, but the real value, turning it into finished products, gets left behind.
Cannaponics changes that. We've built a seed-to-sale system powered by renewable energy and water infrastructure, reducing cost, increasing economic control, and enabling scale both nation and worldwide.
We convert high-quality Australian flower into premium oils, extracts, and formulations, unlocking the margin that cultivation alone never reaches.
And this system isn't just for us. It's an innovative, Australian-owned toll manufacturing model designed to process for other growers and a multitude of brands, creating an additional revenue pathway beyond flower for the wider industry.
This isn't a concept, and this isn't early stage. This has already been built.
Over $38 million invested, government backing, full facility and licenses in place, multiple domestic offtake agreements secured, international relationships being established across Germany, Poland and Switzerland. With projected production of up to 10 tonnes of premium flower, the pathway to revenue is clear.
Now it's about scaling what's already in place.
Your investment unlocks the next phase, bringing our own products to market and opening high-value B2B revenue streams through infrastructure already built to scale.
Production is coming online, so the window to move is now. So join Cannaponics as we scale this Australian gem and take the industry with us.